You can see the helicopter is pulling full pyro flips here. All right, awesome. Bring it back. Look at that. Irish Ellie, 11-year-old, just pulled full pyro flips. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Go.
Assalamualaikum and greetings everybody. I'm Irish. Today I'm going to do a 3D trick.
All right, let's do it. Okay, there you go. Now Irish is going to take off. Hold on. It's powering up the flywing FW450 V3 RC helicopter. Go on, baby. Okay, fly around a little bit. How old are you now?
11.
He's 11 now, people. All right, so why not you stick the node to the stadium side? Okay, good. And go up, please. Make sure that it's a safe altitude. Okay, so you're ready to show us your trick? Even Baba cannot do that trick, remember that. All right, let's do it. Go. 1, 2, 3. You can see the helicopter is pulling full pyro flips here. Keep doing, baby. Control. All right, awesome. Bring it back. Look at that. Irish Ellie, 11-year-old, just pulled full pyro flips on flywing FW450 V3 helicopter. Man, even I cannot pull full pyro flips on the 3D RC helicopters. All right, baby, show us one more trick. Ready? Go. Too close. You scared me. Go backward and make a landing. Fly it around. He just pulled the side TikToks. Soon. All right, baby, bring it for landing. Turn off the motor. Awesome. So, how did you pull the full pyro flips, Irish? Even Baba cannot do it.
It's a secret. We will tell you later.
How did Irish do full pyro flips so nicely on FW450 V3? That is a secret. And when we reveal that secret, trust me, anyone can do full pyro flips on FW450 V3 3D RC helicopter from Flywing. So stay tuned for that video.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.